Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here on the right edge of your device. So you just have to put the tool inside the hole on the slot. The slot will come out, and here you have to put your SD card, and here you have to put your SIM card, and then put it back into your device like this. And as you can see, it says SIM card added, which is the proof that SIM card is read. It requires a restart, and as you can see, there's also a notification SD card added, which is the proof for that SD card is read too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.